Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So first let's open Files application. You can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some images. Let's pick this one. So to select it, you just hold down your finger on it. To select other items, you can just tap on them once. So let's select this one and this one. Then you tap on three dots here and select if you want to move this image or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then we go to SD card, select any folder that fits you. Could be pictures for me. Tap copy here. And after that, these two pictures will appear on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.